Hi, my name is Jean-Marc Girard, and I'm here in this beautiful setting in Sarasota. It's just gorgeous day today, beautiful sun, we're in this beautiful park. I'd like to talk about the activities that I'll be offering this spring at South Soha. And so we'll be starting on Wednesday, the 11th of April. We'll be doing an evening of just professional development. It's more of a people who have practiced different modalities of like therapeutic touch or polarity or Reiki, who would like to come together and practice, get to know each other, get to know different techniques, and also invite colleagues who haven't been initiated in these approaches, and it would be free for them. They would be able to come and participate and receive the different types of modalities. So it would be lovely to see you there. On the 25th, Wednesday the 25th, I'll be offering an information evening. It's free, and I'll be going through all the training programs that I'm offering, professional training programs in therapeutic touch and also in the integral process work. On the weekend of the 28th and 29th of April, I'll be doing the first training program in therapeutic touch at South Soha, Montreal. And also on the 5th and 6th of May, I'll be offering an introductory workshop on the integral process work. So it'll be body-mind techniques, energetic techniques, creative approaches to how we can encompass, our people in our private practice. So, hope to see you whenever. You can always go to my site, jeanmarcgirard.com, for all the information. Hope to see you then. Bye.